After 2 years, this microwave is still holding up. No chipping right here. I read a lot of reviews saying that it chipped after a while, but ours hasn't, so. And then I read reviews saying that this was messing up too on theirs, but ours hasn't. And I'm pretty sure after a while it starts going out. But this has held up so far. And if this does need replacing, then we'll just replace it. But this microwave is really good. And easy to clean.
Hello, I'd like to review this Toshiba microwave. I just received it and I've used it already for the last 24 hours and it's wonderful. It has all these features right here. I need to set up the time, obviously. It looks great. Yeah, it looks wonderful. It heats up the food evenly and I have no complaints whatsoever. It's nice and compact for my new apartments and it works well. So 5 out of 5 stars. Thanks, Amazon.
I put a piece of white tape over the spot where you can hit time cook. So let's cook this for 10 seconds. You saw the handle was pointing here where my right hand stuck it in. Now the little thing goes around, drops the cup off, pointing at my hand.